All right, we're here today with Celeste, and Celeste is about to start her treatment with Dr. Davis. So, Celeste, you've been suffering with knee pain, and how long have you been suffering with that?
Oh, on and off for a long, long time. But I fell.
Oh, I
8
see.
weeks ago, running up the steps, and really hit it hard,
Okay.
and it just won't bounce back anymore.
So, what is a typical day like for you now? Is it just constant pain that never goes away?
Constant pain that never goes away. Anti-inflammatories do help.
Okay.
Moving slow, any kind of activity, it's gone, and I'm limping, walking crooked, unsteady, gaining weight, which I know doesn't help for the pressure on the knee. Yeah, I can't live like this anymore.
Yeah, so you're here to get some relief so you can get back to those activities. I'm going to have you just do a couple different maneuvers for me so we can see exactly where the pain is and where we're going to start with your procedure. Now, where did you feel that, Celeste?
All right, from the knee down to the ankle.
Okay, so did you feel anything above the knee?
Mm-mm.
Okay, so it's everything from the knee down, you were
Pretty
feeling
much.
it, and it's going right down to your ankle. Is it in the front of your leg or the back?
Mostly in the front.
Okay, all right. So the next thing I'm gonna have you do is I'm gonna have you take one step forward. I want feet shoulder length apart, arms out in front of you, keeping your heels on the ground. How low can you squat down? I can see it in your face already, yep.
Yeah,
And slowly come back up.
it hurts.
Now I want you to point to where it was hurting.
All right in the front part of the knee.
Below the
This whole-
kneecap.
This whole area here.
The whole kneecap, okay.
This whole area here.
Okay. All right, so I want you to go up and down the stairs for me. I want
'Cause
you to
don't
hold
wanna
on.
Take a chance of flopping over and
Okay.
yeah,
And-
I'm like an old lady, like an old rickety.
Well, we're going to get you young again. At least walking.
And before this, I mean, I'd run up these steps. I run up 4, 5 flights of steps with not even holding on to anything.
So your balance is affected too.
My balance is horribly affected. Like I'll be walking inside my unit, my condo, and I'll be knocking into the wall.
Right, because you just kind of lose your balance
just
and then you
kinda-
got to catch yourself.
Right. It's like, nothing's.
So going up and down the stairs, was it the same spot hurting?
Yeah.
Was it worse going down
It's
the
worse
stairs
going down.
or coming up? Okay, so down the stairs was worse. All right, you ready to get started?
I sure am.
Let's do it.
7 and release. Take a deep breath and press. 1, 2, 3. Press. 4, 5.
All right, I'm going to have you walk down the end of the hallway.
Okay.
Yep. And then come down the end of the hallway, turn around and come back. Here she
Here
comes.
she comes walking down the street.
Yeah, it is. It is better.
We're not looking for perfect, but you should
Oh
feel
my
much.
gosh.
Yeah.
What feels different, Celeste?
Oh, when I put my weight down walking, I don't collapse.
Oh, awesome.
So you feel like it's a little bit stronger?
Yeah.
It's not as weak as what it was before.
Right. I'm not weak, and it's not as painful when I put my body weight on the right side.
Good job.
Yay! Welcome aboard, Celeste. All right, Celeste has done her first non-surgical operation with Dr. Davis on that right knee. So Celeste, let's see what you can do. Can you stand up for me?
Okay.
How was that?
Great.
Arms out in front. How low can you go?
How low can you go?
Wow, that's definitely a lot faster and
Oh.
smoother, and you're at a 90. That's perfect. Slowly come back up. Look at you. And she even does it with a smile on her face this time. All right, let's do those stairs, Celeste.
Okay. Let's do these stairs.
Oh my gosh, fast, and look at that.
No handrails.
No handrails. You're back to your old self again. How about that? All right, Celeste, let's talk about this. You were at an 8 when you started. What do you think your pain level is now?
Oh, I would say a 3 maybe.
Awesome.
Between a 3 and a 4.
And you,
But the flexibility is back.
Good. And what about the balance? Do you feel like your balance
Right,
is
that's what I
better?
meant. The balance is better so that I'm not, grabbing.
Right. So you feel secure and
Right.
you feel like you can do it without any assistance.
Right. I'm not totally pain free, but it's doable.
So let's talk about that Motrin and Aleve. When was the last time you took it?
6 a.m. So
All right.
So I'm 2 hours overdue for my dose.
Okay. And you feel okay?
I'm probably gonna let it go all afternoon.
All right. So one of the things we want you to do is we want you to go for a walk this afternoon.
Right.
Just like a 20-minute walk. We need you to keep that joint moving, keep it lubricated. And we can help strengthen those muscles, and then we'll have you come back in for your therapies.
Okay.
Are you
awesome.
happy with today's visit?
I'm very happy. It's
Oh.
worth every penny that I invested.
Welcome aboard, Celeste. Welcome to our family.
Okay, thank you.